bringing the cinema into smart pods. Human-vehicle interaction achieved. Foodibles. In the era of automotive intelligence, in-car displays are soaring in both quantity and quality. When processing high hardness, high brittleness automotive glass, traditional methods such as wheel cutting, manual cracking, and CNC precision grinding fall short in meeting market demands for precision and efficiency. HGTECH introduces the OptiBlade 5th generation, an automated laser cutting production line for automotive glass. Suitable for cutting large format glass with irregular shapes, such as in-vehicle display cover glass and interior glass. This tackles the challenges posed by traditional processing methods. Compared to traditional processing methods, the OptiBlade 5th generation automotive glass laser cutting automated production line reduces overall cost by over 38%. From the first generation to the 5th, from smart equipment to automated production lines, HGTECH OptiBlade series continues to empower the industry with intelligent experiences.